Any of y'all out there been seeing any turkeys? Well, I hadn't, and I thought, hey, I'm gonna try something a little different, think outside the box. I got a couple of fields hard to get to, at least a half-mile walk across. I've been loading my bike up early in the mornings, unloading it, riding across these fields, no headlight, parking it, getting against a tree, and it's worked flawlessly. I get in quite quick without any sound, and I don't disrupt these birds off a roost, and it's paid off. Think outside the box. Hit like and subscribe. It really helps us out with the algorithm, and you're going to see more content right here from our page.